Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to type the degree symbol for temperature on your MacBook. When you're typing a document and need that degree symbol, just hit the keyboard shortcut Option-Shift-8. This is the standard symbol used for temperature or measuring angles. Now be careful not to confuse this with the masculine ordinal indicator used in Spanish or Italian. That shortcut is Option-0. It looks similar, but it's not the actual degree symbol. There's also another lookalike called the ring above, which you get with Option-K. This one is smaller and is mostly used in Swedish, Norwegian, Danish, or Czech languages. If the shortcut Option-Shift-8 isn't working for you, you can open the character viewer. Press the FN key on newer MacBooks or use the shortcut Command-Control-Space. Type degree in the search box, and then just double-click the symbol in the results. And finally, here is a quick fix if all else fails. Go to the website degreesymbol.net and click the Copy button. Back in your document, for example in Microsoft Word, right-click and choose Paste Special. Select Unformatted Text and hit OK. You'll get the perfect symbol every time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.